Hello, my name's Lizzie from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Range Rover Sport 3.0 D300 Dynamic SE. Now this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission, is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Varesine blue. To start off with, then you have your pixel LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 21-inch satin dark grey alloy wheels, really complementing against the Varesine blue exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, allowing you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electric boot lid, and once open you can see that you've got a large amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps a pushchair. As well as this, located in the boot you are able to find your tow bar controls, which allows you to tow things such as a trailer or perhaps even a caravan for those weekend getaways. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the ebony leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving in through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 2,259 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. You also have your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Perhaps if you can't find anything to listen to, you also have your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst on the go. Along with 4x4 information, your terrain response drive modes, ride height, and of course your wade sensing. All these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on. As well as this, you also have your tow bar, which allows you to either deploy or stow away the tow bar from the comfort of within the cabin. Of course, you also have your off-road feature on the 360 view camera and the on-road feature, allowing you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. You also have a dual zone climate control with front heated and ventilated seats, ideal for those hot summer months as well as those colder winter ones, ensuring that you always stay comfortable. This has been a presentation on a Range Rover Sport 3.0 D300 Dynamic SE that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.